we will just check this first case law, that is a Ericsson versus Mercury Electronics or a Micromax. It is in 2013 and it is in a Delhi High Court. Okay, so this is a jurisdiction, Delhi High Court. Obviously, like considering the location of Ericsson and all, so we will not go into details of that. You know how exactly the where exactly you have to file case and all. Okay, fine. Now we will go into the details. So what was the contentions, or what is the main issue in this particular? So here Ericsson asked for the permanent injunction. So injunction is like to stop Micromax from manufacturing, importing, selling, offering for sale and advertising of products which are using their technology. So you know that definition of patent, in that we are saying that when you are getting a patent, you are getting right for manufacturing, importing, selling, offer to sell, right? So all these rights you are getting because a patent is granted.